Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a walkthrough. We're back on site at my sister's project in rural Monmouthshire, off the grid. So without further ado, let's see if she's in.
Hello, fancy seeing you on here.
Not staged at all.
Welcome, come on in, this is the back door. So I hope you're ready for a little bit of rough and ready. To your left, as you walk in, this is a utility space at the moment, a single brick.
Old windows.
And what the previous occupants have done is just put a little roof in, but this is actually an outside space, just connects to the house. So come through. So we've got a little cloakroom, toilet, and a space for the
Oh, loving the decor. What's that, 70s? Nice. Wallpaper galore.
So this is actually what was the garage of the original property, but it's been extended into our kitchen. So we've got a nice farmhouse style kitchen, which we're really happy with, and it's looking quite homely at the moment.
And this all came when you bought the property, didn't it, the kitchen?
Yeah.
And what about this baby?
Now, we love and hate this. It's a solid fuel powered Rayburn, and it provides our heating system for the house. So at the moment, it's great. It makes our kitchen lovely and warm, but as you can see, it's hard work. So.
And what's the plan with that then? Are you going to put another boiler in, or?
Yeah. So plan is we've got just under 9 weeks left till little bump arrives.
Boom.
So prior to her arrival, we'd like to get an oil heating system put in.
And is that because you're not on the mains? There's no mains here?
There's no mains gas, so gas boilers out of the question unless you were to get canister gas. And eventually maybe we'll look at other options, but for now oil's the most sensible.
Cool.
So we've got a nice pantry, so is the kitchen.
Lovely, fully stocked.
We're not quite unpacked. Come through.
And what are the electrics like? Is the electric box in here?
Oh yeah. If you go in, you can see our
Oh, wow.
beautiful electrics.
Oh, look at that. That's vintage. You probably get some good money for that on the Antiques Roadshow.
So I'm not sure if you spotted a couple of trips that serve this room, but other than that, it's a fuse wire that runs the rest of the house. So it's not ideal, and that will be changing before baby as well. So lots to update in the next few weeks. It's our first reception room.
Cool. Let's have a look. Some nice bubbly wallpaper over there. Let's have a look at these views. That is a skewered mountain in the background and the orange. Very nice. And so what are your plans for this room? To sort of redecorate?
Yeah, so this room's typical of the rest of the house. It's wallpaper ceilings, wallpapered walls. It's basically, we just need to update, make it warmer, fresher, and more modern. But for now, we'll keep it as it is. We finished it, we've put curtains up, and actually I think it's looking quite nice. Come through. So into our second reception room.
This is very warm. You won't be able to see this on the video, but it's very warm in here.
There's again, lots of wallpaper, but again, something we're going to leave for now. It's all very comfortable, very livable.
Nice big bay window behind there.
We've got a bay window, not necessarily a nice bay window, because it is the
old
original.
school. Yeah, aluminium frame.
So that's something we'd like to replace for warmth mainly. The curtains are drawn at the moment for warmth, but beautiful views from this room. And again, when it's all fresh, it'll be lovely.
Cool. Let's go upstairs.
All the carpets were cleaned just before we moved in.
And the long-term plan, are you going to keep those, or?
Long term, no, but for now, they're nice and sanitised, so they're fine.
Cool.
Okay, come on up.
Great views. Great views.
So full of stuff at the moment, but this is our bathroom.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, I'm guessing this is going to be sort of tiled out. Shower putting in. Shower bath.
Yeah, shower will go in there. It's not very practical without a shower at the moment, but toilet will stay out of there. The toilet's actually in this small room here.
Okay. Nice. Cool, you wouldn't want to be in there with a hangover, would you?
So this will be our spare room actually, because it's at the back of the property on the road side.
Wow, good size room. Good size room.
Artex ceiling in here, so another little challenge for us.
Brilliant.
I'm sure you'll see that. So here we're making our first changes.
Oh, is there a master at work in this room? That's all we need to know. Well, where has he gone? Hiding behind the door. So again, let's take a look at these views. That is pretty spectacular, to be fair. Okay, so talk us through what's going on.
So I'm not sure if you've had a clip of this room, but we've got two chimneys coming through here, both of which needed a little bit of work just as we moved in. So we've gone for a dark colour on the walls just to mask any residual water staining, but they've actually been repaired, so we shouldn't have any further problem.
And before we leave the room, give us a little talk through about Supercoving.
So this has been a revelation. I don't know if anyone's fitted coving before, but the traditional plaster coving is a nightmare. It's really heavy, it's a two-man job, it needs nailing up for the adhesive to set. So we did all that in our previous property, but then we've come across Supercove, which as you can see is really light. It's actually not polystyrene, I think it's polyurethane.
Show us the end, let's have a look. Nice. And how do you put that up?
One-man job. It does come with its own special Supercove adhesive, so obviously you can imagine it's more expensive, but 100% worth it. And it just goes up, it adheres straight to the wall. It has got setting time, but because it's so light, it doesn't need nailing in.
And it's pretty easy to cut. I'm guessing you can cut that with a... Okay, we're just doing a video. She's with me. So, I guess, nice and light, you can just cut that with a Stanley knife while it's up there.
Yeah, so
and sort of fill in with silicone.
You need a matrix. But yeah, Stanley knife will just go straight through.
Nice.
It does, you just got to be careful what you fill with so that it can be painted afterwards.
Nice. And obviously new electrics we'll be having, new doors. And what about this room? So I'm guessing this is going to be the baby's room.
Yeah.
Shortly.
So nice sized room, built-in airing cupboard. Currently there's an immersion heater in there, but we'll look to change that one day.
Nice bit of damp.
You can see this is the other side of that chimney. So this is the gains that we've made next door.
Brilliant. And then that is where we came in, down the bottom there. And this is the garden. So again, plenty of scope if you wanted to do anything else with that. But yeah, thank you very much.
All done.